Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back again for another video. Honestly, I don't know when you guys are gonna see this video. You might see it on Friday. If I take a trade tomorrow, and I upload it, because I'm not just gonna upload this clip, that it's too small. But I might upload it tomorrow if I take a trade, or tomorrow I'll do like a quick recap of the week, and then you guys will see this on Saturday or Sunday. But yeah, today is Thursday, September 12th, 2024, 6:53 a.m. Right? I mean PM, 6:53 p.m. Sorry, I'm in a rush. So, let me break down what happened in the chart today. Obviously, let me just show you. Look at this. See this? You see this right here? Let me remove this. This is what happened today. Now, did we catch this? No, we didn't catch it. And it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. Guess what? I can't change it. That's how the market is, right? So let me just show you my account first. As you can tell, our account is still at 98,000. This is still my funded account. And this is the trade that we took yesterday. Yeah. So, yeah, you can tell, beautiful trade that we took yesterday. Now, we missed out on this whole move right here. And honestly, I was a little mad, you know. Okay, I wouldn't say mad. I was a little annoyed because we missed out on it. But then again, I'm going to explain to y'all why it's okay that we missed out on it. So, first of all, I come to the market and price was trending around here. And overall, we're around this area. So what am I looking for? I'm looking to sell, right? Overall, I'm looking to sell. Cool. So I come down, I find a 15-minute, right? Price makes an order block. So cool. Price comes here, starts giving me this rejection, this doji right here. Or yeah, spin top. So I was like, okay, cool. Now I'm just waiting for this candlestick to close right here, give me an evening star pattern, and I'm gonna take the trade to the downside. Obviously that never happened, right? Now, the thing about this is, and bro, I just realized all week I haven't had my EMAs on. Like I literally turned my EMAs on earlier when I was looking at the chart. So all week I've been trading with no EMA. And honestly, I should have been using the EMA. EMAs are like a good source to like a good support and resistance area that you can use. But more, I'll make a video separate about that, right? Cool. So I wanted to take this trade, but there's also news coming out. So I had to be very careful because we took a trade on news yesterday, we won. That doesn't mean we're gonna win again today. And news today was a little complicated, right? Because as you can tell, there's no consistent pattern that we win or lose. So I wasn't sure exactly what the market was gonna do with this news coming out. So price obviously broke above here. As you can tell, 8:30, price broke above. I mean, 8:15, it closed above. So cool. I was no longer looking for sales. I was like, okay, cool. Price broke above. Now, I wanted to take the trade. I want to take buys because if it breaks above, then I usually wait. It's probably going to use it as a breaker block. Let me show you right here. As you can tell, it broke above, right? I was looking to take a trade right here, but that never happened. So price broke above, came back, retested it, and it continued to the upside. And that's what a breaker block is. A breaker block is a failed order block. So an order block would happen like this, right? And instead of coming here and rejecting, price would literally come here, break past it, and then use it as support or resistance and continue to the upside. And then same thing here, right? Let me show you. So price would, instead of coming down here and rejecting, pushing up, it would break below, come back and retest, and then continue to the downside. So I was expecting that to happen, right? But on the 15-minute, news was coming out in 15 minutes on the 8:30. This candlestick closed at 8:15. 8:30 news was coming out. So what am I looking for? Honestly, I wasn't looking to take a trade because I wasn't sure if news was going to spike up or spike down. Based on my analysis on what I see on Force Factory, I don't know which way news is going to go. So I'm sitting out of this. And obviously, you know, news, it came back and retested like I thought it would. And then news came out, it spiked down, pushed up. And honestly, I thought it was going to keep spiking down, but it never did. It just kept pushing up. And then by this time, I was in the office, I was at work, so I couldn't really trade. And then I got out of work for lunch, and it was up here for lunch, right? Yeah. Wait, no. It was like up here for lunch. Yes. And guess what? It was having this retracement, and instead of trying to buy right here, I didn't enter the trade because guess what? There was no setup. You got to be disciplined. You got to follow your trading rules. So that's why I'm not mad about this trade. Like I followed my trading rules. I was looking to sell. It didn't happen. It broke above, and it gave me the breaker block. It gave me the retest like I normally would take. But with news coming out, I was uncertain, and that's cool. I wasn't comfortable with the risk. I didn't take the trade. So yes, we missed out on this big move. Now, if I did take the trade, I probably would have taken it after this candlestick close. Put my stop loss right below here, and this is how you use the EMA, because you put your stop loss right below this is the 13 EMA right here. So I put my stop loss right above, below the 13 EMA. give it enough space to go into drawdown, and then we would call maybe a 1-3 easily. Now the funny thing is, we would have gotten a better trade on silver. Literally, silver did the same thing. I was looking for this rejection right here. Thing happened, broke above. So if I were to take it, I would have taken it up here. Put my stop loss right below the EMA, and then look, an easy 1-4, even a 1-5. But it's okay. I followed my trading plan. There was no setup. I didn't take it, or I didn't retest how I wanted to. I mean, it did, but it's fine. It was a risky trade. I knew news was coming out. I didn't take it. I didn't take the risk. It's all good, Mo. Guess what? Tomorrow we're gonna wake up. We're gonna see a trade opportunity. We're gonna take it, or if not, we're not gonna take it. And then next week we're gonna come back and keep going strong. So there's no need to rush. Like, yes, you feel price is moving, but that's FOMO. You need to be able to control your emotions. Literally all day I've been watching videos about the brain and studying the amygdala and how the brain functions in the two sides of the brain. I've been watching a lot of like videos trying to understand like why we do certain things and why we feel certain ways. And on top of that, I've been reading a lot of psychological books. So psychology is key. So yeah, that's just breakdown. I'm probably gonna add this onto a different part of a video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day or a great night. God bless you. And on to the next clip. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back again with another video. So it's currently Friday, September 13th, 2024, 5:29 p.m. Right? It's Friday, market closed. Hope you enjoy your weekend, right? So I'm just gonna go over this trade that I took today, and I'm gonna explain why I took this trade and how to break it down, right? So I took this trade on silver. As you can tell, we had this big. This is a weekly candle, so yeah, not what I predicted last Sunday. Last Sunday I thought we were gonna go to the downside, but obviously not. So I was wrong, but it's all good. The market's gonna do whatever it wants. So I come to the. See, I'm burping. So I come to the market, right? Yesterday we had this big push yesterday, and as you guys know, we missed out on this whole move right here. We really missed out on this whole move right here. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. We come to the market this morning. What am I looking for? I'm looking to buy overall because we're at the highest. Why would I be trying to sell, right? So I'm looking to buy overall. So then I go to a lower time frame and I see price made this order block right here, and then made it made these two order blocks right here. Now the reason I drew this one up is because on gold you can see the same thing. Price made an order block here, but it made another order block up here to the downside. So gold is at its highest ever, like literally highest ever. So honestly, I was a little skeptical because gold could just come use this order block and continue to the downside and sell because at the highest ever. But overall, I'm still looking to buy, right? But on silver, I get this order block right here to sell. To buy. So I'm like, okay, cool. I come here and 15-minute price gives me my interest signal, Morningstar pattern. Now it didn't close above here, which I typically wait for it to close above here. But I was going to work at this time and it just closed here. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna risk it. Now I took this trade. I didn't put 1%. I put 0.5 on it. I put $500 on it. That's why. And then I didn't put no take profit. I just let it run. So this is my stop loss. And then take profit, I didn't put no take profit. I just let it run. So price was moving. And then I think around like 10-ish, I took a break and then came out, took my phone, and price was pushing up. So what I did was I closed. Let me just show you. So this is the trade. Actually, let me just show you on Trade Locker. So this is this trade right here. I closed here, but I'm gonna explain why. So I came to the car, took my phone, get out of here, and I closed part of the position right here. So we made this one, and then I just let the rest run it. I moved my stop loss to like about here. So if it came here, it would like close me out of the trade, and I would be out with $100. So, and no, I would have made $100. Like if the running hit my stop loss, but it didn't. It kept pushing up. Now I didn't know that market was pushing up here, so I didn't have my phone on me. But when I got out of work and I saw that the market was, pulling back right here, so I just decided to close it. I could have closed up here, but I just closed it right here because I was already in profit. I already made the money for the day, so I was cool. So I raised 500 on it. This was a 1-5, so we made it was a 1-4 basically. So we made $2,000 on this trade. basically. Yeah. And so we're up for this week. Obviously, last 2 weeks we lost. This week we're up. We literally made back the profits that we lost, and now our account is at 100,754. So now we're at like the break even amount for the account, right? And yeah. So one thing I did well about this is I trusted my trade. It did exactly what I wanted to give me interest in, so I took it. Proper stop loss in the right area. I put it right below this, the 50 EMA. And also one thing, if the price is above like the 13 EMA, which is this one right here, or it's just below it, it's gonna respect it. So as you can tell, you can see right here, it rejected off the 13 EMA and it kept going up. So market likes to use the 13 EMA. That's one thing I've been like experimenting. So I put my stop loss at a good spot. No take profit because I really want to maximize. Normally I would put my take profit right here and get a 1 to 3. But look at how much more profits we missed out. So I'm glad I didn't put take profit and just let it run. Because yesterday we had this big move and I missed all of this. So I was like, yeah, today I'm most likely gonna get another big move. And also news was coming out at 10. But I didn't really care. It wasn't red, it was orange and yellow, so I didn't really care. So yeah, trade did this. So overall, good trade. Nothing to complain about. What I could have done better, I guess, risk more. But honestly, I trusted the trade, but I didn't like fully trust it because we're like pushing. We've been pushing higher, so the reversal could happen anytime. So I just went really low risk, but I guess I could have risked more. But it's all good. That's one thing I learned also. I need to be comfortable with the risk that I take. So when I risk 1%, I'm comfortable, but like I still think about the trade sometimes, right? When I risked 0.5, bro, I did not care. I was like, you know what? If I lose it, cool. Like I made it back this week. If I lose it today, it's cool. Like I don't really care. So I didn't really care about it, and it worked out. So I guess I just gotta get to the same area when I risk 1%, $1,000. So like when I lose it, I don't care. Like I don't care when I lose it, but it still like makes me think and it hurts a little bit. But it is what it is. And yeah, and then gold never gave me a setup. Obviously, price was bullish, so it didn't respect here. And I guess I could have taken this on gold as well, but there was no interest signal. There was no reason to take this trade on gold. So you gotta stay disciplined and follow your trading rules, bro. I do not want to take a cold shower, so I gotta follow my trading rules. But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, good end of the week. We're gonna come back next week stronger and better than before, and we're gonna keep going, keep going. So all glory to God, and stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and remember, magic you're looking for is network you're avoiding. So tomorrow I'm most likely gonna back test, and I'm gonna see how I can use breaker blocks more effectively. Because yesterday we could have used a breaker block here and profited from this. So that's one thing I gotta work on. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll drop a video on Sunday explaining like what I think might happen throughout the week next week. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And you guys have a good night. God bless you.